You've seen the claims. 6-figure jobs in 6 months. Get hired with 0 experience. Learn cybersecurity in just 90 days. And you believe it. As you should. Because it's real. People are doing it right now. Flipping their careers and landing high-paying jobs in record time. But here's what nobody tells you. Most people will never make it. Not because cybersecurity is too hard, but because they get stuck. They stay in one of these 5 stages for too long, overcomplicating, second-guessing, or waiting for the perfect moment to start. But here's the truth. Your timeline isn't just about luck. It's about action. The people who win, they move through these 5 stages fast. Stage 1. The excitement trap. At first, you're fired up. You're binge-watching cybersecurity videos, downloading free PDFs, signing up for every free course that you can find. You're convinced this is it. This is my way to a 6-figure cybersecurity job. But then, nothing happens. Because watching isn't learning, and collecting resources isn't progress. The ones who break through, they stop consuming and start implementing. They build real-world projects. They get hands-on experience. And while everyone else is still stuck in tutorial mode, these guys are already ahead. Step 2. Reality hits and people quit. This is where things get real. You start applying for jobs and zilch. You get nothing. You dive into hacking, risk assessments, compliance, and realize this is so much more than just memorizing a few security concepts. This is where most people start doubting themselves. They think, maybe I need a degree. Maybe I just need another certification. Maybe this just isn't for me. Wrong! The real reason that people quit here, they focus on the wrong things. The ones who make it, they get smart. They double down on skills that companies are desperate for. GRC. Compliance, security, operations. Skills that don't require coding, don't take years to master, and are in huge demand right now. Stage 3. The pivot from learning to earning. By now, you've built the skills. You've studied security frameworks, learned risk management, and gained knowledge that most job seekers don't even think about. But if you're not careful, you'll get stuck here, endlessly learning, endlessly getting ready. The breakthrough comes when you shift from I'm still learning to I'm ready. Your resume stops listing courses and starts listing real life experience. Your LinkedIn isn't just a profile. It's a lead magnet that attracts recruiters. Your interviews stop being about what you studied and start being about what you've actually done. And that's when things move fast. Stage 4. Job offers start rolling in. You've built the skills, you've positioned yourself, and then it happens. The first interview request, then another, and another. But here's the secret that most people don't realize. Companies aren't looking for people with degrees. They're not even looking for people with years of experience. They're looking for people who can solve problems. And when you prove you can, they want to pay you for it. Stage 5. The I can't believe I did it moment. You get the offer, you see the salary, and it clicked. It wasn't luck. It wasn't a fluke. You made it happen. And here's the crazy part. You look back and you realize that it could have happened even faster. Because the only thing that determines how long this takes is how hard you push. Fortune favors the bold. The ones who stay disciplined, take action, and refuse to quit, they win. So are you ready to make it happen? Comment GRC down below and we'll send you the exact step-by-step roadmap on how you can break into cybersecurity. And if you're serious about landing a 6-figure job, click the link in our bio to sign up to our weekly newsletter where we break down exactly what you need to do to get hired fast. The opportunity is here. Are you going to take it?